Like all of you, I am also a student of Government Postgraduate College for Women Satellite Town, Gujranwala, BS Chemistry 8th semester. I am Faiza Batul, roll number 021802, and today my article of presentation is chlorophyll. As all of us know very well that chlorophyll is a pigment that gives the plant their green color. Green color is due to the presence of this chlorophyll in the stigma of chloroplast. Chlorophyll is basically found in many green vegetables in their stigma, and its function is to absorb the light radiation that are coming from the sun, that they use in the process of photosynthesis, in which they use carbon dioxide and water to make their food in the form of glucose. As we can see in this picture, why the leaves appear green to our eyes, because the light coming from sun has different shades, and all the other colors are absorbed by this leaf, and green is transmitted or reflected back, that is shown as green to our eyes. And in the right side of picture we can see that how chloroplasts help the carbon dioxide and water nutrients that are coming to the leaves with the help of solar energy to make their food. Chlorophyll has different jobs, and its basic job is to absorb the sunlight. That is changed into two different kinds of storing molecule, energy storing molecules in the form of ATP and NADPH. Both are energy packets that the plant use in the process of photosynthesis. Just like plants, chlorophyll also absorb to our skin. There are different types of chlorophyll: A, B, C, D, and E. Basically, we usually discuss about A and B, but chlorophyll C is found in brown algae, diatoms, dinoflagellates. Chlorophyll D is found in red algae, and chlorophyll E is present in xanthophyce with the chlorophyll A as accessory pigment. Chlorophyll A is bluish green, while chlorophyll B is yellow in color. There is the structure of chlorophyll. In the center present as magnesium surrounded by the four 5 rings of the nitrogen that are attached with a long chain of carbon known as phytol. There will be variation in different structures of chlorophyll of different types. Now we are going to discuss about chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A is the primary pigment that absorb the light radiation coming from the sun, while chlorophyll B act as accessory pigment with the chlorophyll A to collect the energy or transfer the energy to the other pigments. Chlorophyll A act as a role in the electron donor an electron donor in the electron transport chain. Electron transport chains will be discussed in further lectures. And chlorophyll B role is different from the chlorophyll A. It absorbs the high energy of the blue light, and this energy is used in the photosynthesis process. Chlorophyll A is found in the Chlorophyll A is found in the plants, algae, cyanobacteria, and all the other high plants, while chlorophyll B is found in the high plants and only in the green algae. There is basically only one difference between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B structure, that is the left side. Chlorophyll A has a methyl group here, and chlorophyll B has a aldehyde group, CHO group. It's the only difference between their structures. Other structure is similar to each other. Now talk about their absorption spectra. Chlorophyll A absorb violet and orange light, while chlorophyll B absorb blue and yellow light. Both absorption spectra are different from each other. Neither A nor B absorb green light. That's why the green light is reflected back and chlorophyll appears at green. Chlorophyll C absorb blue-green light that has a range of 447 to 452 nanometer. Chlorophyll D absorbs far red light that is beyond our optical range at 710 nanometer, because our optical range is 400 to 700 nanometer. As a whole, the chlorophyll spectrum includes the wavelength of blue and red that are indicated from 450 to 475 nanometer. We can see in this graph, and again they got a peak at 650 to 675 nanometer. There is also carotenoid that are the accessory pigment, also absorb the light radiation coming from sun and also help the plants in the process of photosynthesis, and their absorption peak is different from chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. This was our article of chlorophyll. If you find any kind of curious question about this topic, you can freely ask in the lectures timing. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.